This is how masturbation is affecting you as a man. So before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. But I want to say thanks to all my subscribers, both my returning viewers or returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back, because I am now eligible for super thanks. Thank you to all my subscribers and thank you for supporting. But I plead and I beg each and every one of you to buy my super thanks in order to support this channel. If you want this channel to move forward, if you want the best from this channel, buy my super thanks. Anyone that buy my super thanks, I will give that person a shout out and I will thank you. Besides, if you support this channel, it will help me to bring some equipments and other tools that will help me to make good videos and help me to buy other resources for my research to give you people the best you want. So in conclusion, make sure that you buy my super thanks to support this channel. Now, let's dive in to the topic of today: how masturbation is affecting you. How is it affecting you? But before I proceed, what is masturbation? It is the act of one satisfying him or herself sexually. When you use your hand to satisfy yourself sexually, or maybe with the use of sex toy, it can also serve as masturbation, which you need to avoid in order to live a healthy life. How is it making you not to perform well? There are many reasons, but I am going to share only about 3, which will help you to stop masturbation. Number 1 is that it causes you to have low sperm count or watery sperm. Yes, when you are into this art, you keep doing it until you reach orgasm. And once you reach orgasm, you must release a semen. And continuous doing of this will lead to watery sperm, because the sperm that is supposed to accumulate in your body system, you waste it during that act. So it makes you to have low sperm count or watery sperm. Number 2 is that it leads to quick ejaculation or premature ejaculation. Yes, the more you do masturbation, the more you are developing too much sensitivity. And once you keep doing this for a very long time, it will lead you to premature ejaculation, because anytime you have the real sex, you will ejaculate as soon as possible, because it has been accustomed with you that any small little thing, you will reach orgasm as a man. If you stop masturbation, you will never experience premature ejaculation, which might come out as a result of too much sensitivity. Now, the last which masturbation is doing to your body is that it makes you to feel inferior. That is inferiority complex. The more you are doing this, the more you will think that you are the most sinner on earth. And with this, you isolate yourself from your peer group or from your family member. So once you keep doing this, it will create a new life in you, which will make you to always feel inferior, feel rejected, feel that you are the most sinner on earth. And with this inferiority complex or with this belief, you start having a social distance from people. You start having, or you start isolating yourself from people. So you need to stop these ads in order to have or to stop inferiority complex, so that you can mingle with your friends, share knowledge, ideas, ways to succeed in life. So that is what I want to share in today's video. You as a man, it is better for you to avoid masturbation. Even women out there can stop it, because for me, it is unhealthy, it is bad, and it is very, very detrimental. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you do get value, consider to subscribe to support this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know exactly what you think. Once again, buy my super thanks if you really want this channel to move forward. Thank you in advance. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck, good health. See you in my next video. Bye.